Hi choir, it's Mrs. Reese. This is a video tutorial on how you are going to do your first graded video submission for this week. This video submission is titled Solfege Recognition Number 1. It's going to be based on the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I chose this song because most people know this song. It's very easy to hear the notes in your head instead of sitting at a piano and plunking out the notes. So if you don't know how to record a video of yourself and your computer doesn't allow you to use Flash, please make sure you check out the video tutorial that I have also put with this assignment. That way you know how to set it up on your computer and you're not stressing out about the fact you can't record a video. Next, you're going to follow the music example below. Here's a music example. I am going to demonstrate part of this, but I'm not going to do the whole song. You are going to be responsible for recording the entire song, and you are going to sing it in solfege. So each note has a solfege syllable assigned to it, starting with do. They have taken the first letter of each solfege syllable instead of writing all of them out. So obviously the letter D would stand for do, R, re, M, mi, F, fa, S, so, L, la, T, T, and the top D would be do. If you have issues with this, maybe write it down on a piece of paper, or you can just write the order of the notes that you see in Twinkle Twinkle also on a piece of paper in front of you. After you watch the video, it's going to be your turn to put this together, and you are going to sing through the entire song. I recommend that you practice it a couple of times, and I also recommend that you practice just Twinkle Twinkle by itself. You might feel a little silly sitting at home singing Twinkle Twinkle. What are you actually doing this for? Believe me, there's a purpose behind it. This is something that we would be doing at this point in time in the year anyway, even though our concert would have been this week. Craziness. So what you're going to do is you're going to sing through Twinkle Twinkle using the solfege syllable. So if I'm looking at this, I'm starting with do because the letter D stands for do. And I'm just going to read and sing the first line. I'm going to give you a pitch. You could choose to use the same pitch I do. If you choose to use a different pitch, that's fine. Just make sure that your pitches are accurate with one another. So I'm not singing up, down, up, down, up, down the entire time that I'm singing this song. So I'm looking at the very beginning and I'm going to sing do, do, so, so, la, la, so, fa, fa, mi, mi, re, re, do. You're going to sing it in that manner and you're going to go all the way through this. When you're completely done, you just submit your video. You can either send it to me through Messenger in Schoology, or you can attach it to the assignments tab along with this assessment. If you choose to only do an audio recording, you don't want to be seen on camera singing, or you want to cover your webcam, that's totally fine, however you want to do it, but you are going to have to sing in order to receive credit on this. So make sure when you turn this into me that it is you singing. Please don't skip over this because you're afraid to sing. Keep in mind, I'm the only person that's going to hear it or see it, so it's really just me, and anything that you turn in, as long as it's the full song, you're going to receive credit for. If you have any questions or you have issues with this video submission, please make sure you reach out to me. You can send me an email, you can send me a message in Schoology, however you want to do it. But this is the video submission for this week.